Hey guys, so today I've got the Canyon floorboards and I want to show you guys how to install and backlight the Canyon writing with the provided LED. So it's pretty easy. So this is your kit. It's going to have some wiring and it will have the LED in it, and so it will come with a pair of lights, and this red right here is actually the adhesive. And what we want to do is ultimately we want to stick it on like this with the wire facing up towards the boards, and then eventually it's going to wrap around like this. And on the final production piece, what we've actually done is we've put a hole here towards the inside, so when the wire comes out you can actually zip tie it here, and this will be towards the inside of the bike, so you won't be able to even see that. And then the rest of the package here is 2 accessory wires that'll go to the front customer accessory ports, a 6-foot and a 1-foot extension wire that'll run from here to the customer accessory port. So the only thing that you guys will have to do is pretty easy actually. It'll come with the alcohol pad and a couple of primers. So what you'll want to do is just clean the surface really good with the alcohol, apply the primer, and then just go ahead and apply the LED face up like that. Alright guys, so I've let the primer dry, and I've got the LED here. I've peeled off the red backing, and again, so when you stick it on, you want the wiring towards the top of the board, and what you want to do is you want to get the bottom of this almost flush to here, so the wire up on the top, you know, won't get smashed. So these are specifically designed and length so that it'll fit from end to end, from the C all the way to the end here. So I will start it right about where the end is, and again just about almost flush to the bottom all the way to the C like that. I've got probably 1 millimeter here across the bottom, nice and even, and that gives me a little bit of space up on top for this wire to kind of bend over like that. And that's pretty much it. You just stick it down, the primer will hold it there. This will not come off. This is on there really good. So once you guys finish that, just grab your extension wire. Don't forget to put some dielectric grease here, and run that out to the end just like that, and this will go right into the bike. And from here we do the 6-foot extension, and that'll run right out to your customer accessory port from the front all the way to the top. So anyway guys, that is all that you guys need to do. All right, now that we're all done, let me just turn this on for you guys real quick. I'm going to connect my 12-volt quick tester. Hey, all right, so this one is for an order going out, so we've got quite a few to pack today, but just wanted to show you guys real quick what that actually looks like. Looks sharp. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and enjoy your Canyon.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to bring you new content and innovative products.